Meadowbrook High is represented by Sachin Gordon, Brianna Bartley, Antoine Watches, and Tiran Beverly. St. Mary's College is represented by Candice Brown, Jaden Hope, Daniela Minot, and Shanake Ewan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. Now, it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered this challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss, and Meadowbrook High, they won and decided to go first. So we begin with Meadowbrook High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Meadowbrook, we begin with literature. Which British novelist is known for the novels White Teeth, On Beauty, and Swing Time?
British? Right. Graham Greene.
Graham Greene.
Incorrect. Zadie Smith. St. Mary's College, which American novelist is known for the novels The Bluest Eye and Song of Solomon?
Toni Morrison.
Toni Morrison.
Correct. International Affairs. Meadowbrook, look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka.
Correct. International Affairs, St. Mary's College, look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Kuwait.
Incorrect. Myanmar. Jamaican Heritage, Meadowbrook, complete the Jamaican proverb. Howdy and thank you, no brook.
No square.
No square.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage for St. Mary's College, complete the Jamaican proverb. Horse dead and?
Horse dead and what? Coscokin.
Coscokin.
No, horse dead and cow fat. French for Meadowbrook, what number is 81 when translated to English?
90. 91.
91.
No, that would be 81. French for St. Mary's College, what number is 94 when translated to English?
84.
84.
Incorrect, 94. Music. Meadowbrook, listen to the clip, give the title of the song.
But what else can we do? Tormented and torn apart.
Love of my life.
Love of my life.
Incorrect, All Out of Love. Music for St. Mary's College, listen to the clip, give the title of the song.
Couldn't make it my own.
Wait. I can be my hero, baby.
Alright. Hero.
Hero.
Incorrect, Lonely is the Night. Principles of Business for Meadowbrook. What is the name for a business strategy that involves creating a unique identity for a company in the minds of consumers?
Business plan. Business plan.
Business plan.
Incorrect, Branding. Principles of Business for St. Mary's College. What is the term for the process of putting money into an asset with the goal of growing the money over a set period of time?
Yeah, grow the money.
The money. Alright, so I guess it.
Saving.
Saving.
Incorrect, Investment or investing. Meadowbrook, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor, identify this actress.
Tilda Swinton.
Tilda Swinton.
Correct. Theatre and Cinema, St. Mary's College. Look at the monitor, identify this actress.
Fernanda Torres.
Correct. And Art for Meadowbrook. What is the name of the wax resist dyeing technique that is often used to make highly patterned cloth?
Batik.
Correct. Art for St. Mary's College. What is the name for the component of paint that creates uniform consistency or cohesion?
Cohesion. Encaustic.
Encaustic.
Incorrect. Binder. Sports for Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Oh, Tyson Gay.
Tyson Gay.
Correct. Sports, St. Mary's College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Here come. Michael.
Mike Cullum.
Mike Column.
Incorrect. Edwin Moses. Bible knowledge for Meadowbrook. In the book of Acts, who sold a field he owned, brought the money, and laid it at the apostles' feet?
Acts? Yeah, okay.
Peter.
Peter.
Incorrect. Barnabas. And Bible knowledge from St. Mary's College. In the book of 1 Kings, who took 100 prophets and hid them when Jezebel slaughtered the Lord's prophets?
Who took? What did I say? Elijah.
Elijah.
Incorrect. Obadiah. Biology. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores this time are Meadowbrook High on 5 and St. Mary's College on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.